Every Ghana for too much GH. Ghana wahala dwumadie ena masugu so a mu etie na ensema abetoma apono so ma munim se ensema ewa chichi bencheye eno ena too much GH yede ebremo ema mu hunu na ensem bia ba beto edwa say Joselyn Dumas oni Jim Lyke womo aware ama pictures bi ababa betoto emonten eso na wo hwem fonyi no so omo pictures na ma chese aware no eye akono keke omo ma aware no chese nkrofo huna aye nika na eno na nhwehwemu aye akire se da bi nkrofo we mu de eye movie bi wo mu beyi no mu ni se movie no kra no is titled Cold Feet na enu mu na omo hu ni se Jim Lyke Joselyn Dumas any other interesting crofobia eka ho na wo mo aside no na bia wo ma hye de atwa e de ababa beto abonten a wo mo ka se anan crofo de ka se wo mo aware na we ama Jim Lyke aba abonten abekasa afa na warrior ene ne ba a wo no ehum na o say wo no de he want to keep his private life very private. And he decides when it is okay for him to tell the world about what is up with him. According to him, he knows his worth. And he had a child with a woman and no one knew about it until he decided it was time to let the world in. Also, one dear. Ono onim ne ho onim hawa ono watie. Ena eye ne private life ono ne nim ha wo pese o man ne ba abonten a wo be manaba enti ono na waresem ene ne mansem ono ne ba krompo a wo no krampo no emreso ye na obi anim time a wo hu ne se eye okay mano se wo se wo de ba abonten no ena wo de eba abonten enti wono na wonim se ye den asa question we eba na wano asembus anu ya wode bema ensemusa ekoso say an one Joselyn o ma ware ne ayi no o say I'm very humble in the way I operate. Last few years I decided what I want people to know, not the other way around. When you come to my Instagram page, people wonder why I don't put my son's picture often. I said no, it doesn't work that way. My son is another entity. I choose this path, he didn't. What if he grows up and doesn't want to be in the limelight like me? I want to give him a fair chance to decide what he wants out of life without instructing him in the life and I have chosen. There are 3 parts of everyone's life and you must try to adhere to survive. The public, the private, and secret. I woke up one day and that's at the point of birth I share with the world that I am having a son, but nobody knew about it for 9 months. Neither did anyone knew that I was having a son with a different woman. So that is how I live my life. I could have been married for 3 years and nobody would have known about it. One day I am good and I'm ready, I will share. The day I am also good to talk about my marital status, I will share. And until then, keep getting and talk about whatever you want. When and sema yenya Jim Lyke ede eba abonto se Ghana fonum ebusa and I didn't know for ban fonyin to Instagram show bano den wa ware sem oma obia ehunu like your life nyoma ekoso wa baba no se hwe me bana me mfani show no me na me choose that life se me pese me hype me hu me mankrofo hu me ba no wonye ono and I choose that life no enti me mfa ne mbam na a bedroom maybe ebia na nye sa no wo pen but because of how I introduce him ninti no na e wo se wo fa ne sa da bi onye sa da biara da enye wo no e na be che ne ba no abraba won choose e na ye hwa nipa ya abraba no ye wo 3 things: public, se nipa be hu; private, secret. Enti sande oma we me and say e wo se Ghana for na nipa bia no mu hu ne say it's part of people's life. Enti nipa ne ye na just so the baba bontia fine, take it like that. So why na just say one for bambo saying now obey keeping it one itself. Obi and hunu so you guys should also take it like that. And obi an so e won secret. And see, no one day or dream who say was so the baba and or the buy. So that's the same way. If it is right, so person will kafa na warrior and someone wobeba enti or no there. Rumors are so and nyoma so mfonya abede da abonten se woni Joselyn o maware no wono de on kan bibia emfa ho se embre ne so se wo pese wo kafa ho a wo beka ede afa ho weni ensam agem Lyke ede eba abonten na cheso hu mfonyi ne de etwe yiye papa hu se ne wedding na ne bi hu ne se movie bia wo mu beye na omatwa ehu ba bi ede eto ho no na we na Ghana fo bi no so ede wona dwentre eba efa ho Yenia Cecilia Eddie or there, but say, wow, that's a nice talk though, but don't you think other way around? At least you have to show up so that if someone is interested or might have interest in you, the person will know that you are going out or you are married. Or no, so when they say, although say they work on no concern, no, but when they say it will be good. So be baba until be show, oh, this my wife, this my son, this my so and so. Say they be even if say be I will be interested a bit me mani pana who say, oh wow, this person is married, so I have to back off. Or no so I drink tray and no yenya on so funny DM, but also it's true, not everything that you have to let people know about it. Or say the yenya can there no kwan so no nya bibia and was say woman will be ehunu mu because obo ha o hwemu no enye any kind and our day show war pewahwe asie bi enti de ye nua gem Lyke e kan de wone no eye adwen ena ye nua millionaire and so ede ode e buy or say Ghanaians talk too much, so it's better you keep things secretly. People talk too much and they make rumors about anything that they will see. Onu susu when they say I am pam enkrofo kasa Ghana for kasa ni paye kasa enti yes nyoma bi wo honum aye de ebehye kokoa mu anya say na agi se wan fa bibia ma meto honum sa eye wunua ba krampo na Ghana fo nim na no kotwa mfonyi na de bebeto honum na ye beka cho say wo ore no enti sene won fa bibia ma bonten a enu anu no Ghana fo hu ne se de ye nua gem ka no eye ne kwan so anu no eni kwan se bibia na wo se ye de eba abonten enti se one no time or person or the name ba abonten no so or the bag Ghana fo ebetie se on fa mba nsusu a Ghana fo wo mu nsusu etie enti ene Ghana fo still now obeja mo our suspense mu say Joselyn Juma one no aware no eno de won fa comment bia emfa ho say ye ane ananse de bi enti de mo bedwen no say mo enjen emfa ho na so de nim say emfonyi de e kire say aware no de ekọ so na akasa wo beba abonten no abekasa ede afa ho mediane ekia sikapa too much it koso ana subscribe share for more abusiafo onamfofo eni obibia ewo all the social media platform na jo commenting so na emrepem no making kind edi amamo